Hello friends, recently I purchased a full-size mousepad of brand REDGEAR because I am not comfortable with the basic mousepad of 8 by 8 inches. Let's open it. The model is M80 from REDGEAR, which comes with the size of height 80 cm and width 30 cm, which can be placed a full-size regular keyboard, and we get a lot of space for the mouse tracking. The box is opened inside the package. Okay, let's open it. Although the price is 600, but it is durable and which is comfortable than the regular mousepad, and the surface for a mouse tracking is also more, and the look of the PC will become good. At the end, it costs about 625 rupees in Amazon. If you are not comfortable with the regular mousepads, you can also consider these types of full size mousepads.